in a protective gesture, which we call E. And feel this crossing. Press the hands a little bit against each other, but in a way, experiment that you have the feeling they rest on each other. And when you have this feeling they rest on each other, discover the mirror picture of this in your heart. Resting on each other. And from your heart, through your heels, connect with the earth. Remember the feeling of love. And let you bring a little bit forward again into this love energy, but without losing the connection from the heart through the heels to the earth. And let go. Let your breath react. Return to your heart. Without many words now, the same order. Right out. Feel the flow forward. Embrace the world and what's behind the world. Return to yourself. E. Resting on each other. Protection. Connection to the earth through the heels. Remember the love energy. Don't lose the E energy. Love, E. Expand, embrace, love. Let go. Find yourself. E. Remember the flow of love. Love, E. One more time. Love. E. Love, E. And let go.